To directly go to the last screen you're using when unlocking Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra with your face, you have to disable stay on lock screen until swipe option. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Under additional security settings section, tap biometric. Tap face recognition. Next, enter your current screen lock. Since this phone is using pattern, then draw the pattern. Now, tap the blue on off switch next to stay on lock screen until swipe, until the switch turns gray to turn it off. To unlock your phone, hold your phone in portrait orientation and then glance at it. As you can see, once your phone recognizes your face, it will directly go to the last screen you're using without you have to swipe the screen first. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.